Oh my god! My name is Sheener Ben Beaster, and today I'm going to talk about the special needs class that I'm about to go into at my senior year. Psych. Anyways, talk about the senior class. The special needs kids, they jump around like kangaroos. They hop around, beating kids up in the middle of the hallway that are totally regular. And then they take their little special books and beat them over the head like the WD version of WD-40. And then, on top of that, they have these little carts they ride around. Kids, regular kids, people, just push them down the steps, and they fly down their hill, and they're like, and then they go, ow, on the other side. And they make, one time, the one kid was so annoying. The one kid took his head and shoved it down the drain pipe. And then the one kid just hung himself. And then the one kid was like, oh my god. And then the one kid acts like he's Smeagol. And he's like, my precious little thing, I'm coming for you. And then, after that, the guinea pig comes out. And it gives you puppy eye from the back. No! Yeah, then your brains pop out and you eat them. And then the special needs kids, they eat them like the little buggers up their nose. And then they take bug squash and they make peanut butter poopy sandwiches out of them. And then, you know the teachers, how they smack themselves in the head? And then they go like a gorilla? Yeah, they're insane in the head, honestly. So, bye.